Hello, I wanted to show you how to set up your files for basic select area of metallic ink, or in other words, texture graphics with metallic ink. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you know you can choose any of the millions of colors that are in your image, but if you want to know what your image will look like after the metallic ink is printed, you can choose from the color swatch sheet available from ACI. It looks something like this. I've gone ahead and loaded my image into Photoshop. This is my basic image. I'm now going to go ahead and add the text. Now the text here has specific RGB values. If I hover over the text, you will see the RGB values of 237, 26, 59. This matches up in what we see in the metallic ink swatch kit. Since the metallic ink is printed first or under the rest of the color ink is printed over the top on that graphic or text, it can look a little bit muted. You may want to go in and increase the select area metallic ink layers saturation by about a +20 and the contrast of a +15. Please be aware that this is automatically done if you are ordering full flood. In my example here, I have selected the exact RGB values from the swatch kit, and I like how it looks. Also, please note that the process of preparing the image layer is very different from how you will do this with foil. With foil, you do not want the graphic layer like here, seniors, on that. But with metallic ink, you do. So now that I have my text where I want it and the color is perfect, I'm going to go up to File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG. Do not flatten the file. And I've clicked Save. Once it's saved, I'm going to go ahead and go to my Layers palette, and I'm going to create a new layer, and then I'm going to move that layer below my text, so below Senior, and I'm going to fill it with a pure white. This is very important. Next, I'm going to go back to my Senior layer that's currently red, and I'm going to go to the FX, or in other words, the Add the Layer style, and I'm going to go to the Color Overlay. I'm going to make sure to select black, and also note that the blend mode must be normal. Now I'm going to hit OK. I am now going to save that file as a JPEG and just simply call it ink layer. And save. Now I'm going to show how to go in and order the cards in the ACI FLex. The default is full flood. Instead, please click on the select area of metallic ink. My base layer image goes in at the bottom like it specifies, and then my ink layer goes above. Now that I've got that added and I want it on the 130 cardstock, I can go ahead and add that to my order. There will be a second video, Advanced Select Metallic Ink, coming soon. If you have questions, please reach out to us at 1-800-728-2722. Thank you.